So the question is always asked, how do I fill up my diesel heater inside the van without spilling any diesel? So what I usually do is, the reason I haven't done it yet, I usually just drill a hole through the bulkhead so I can run a pipe through the door, through and into the diesel heater. Works a treat. But with this van, this bulkhead's coming out soon. I've got some MDF to replace this because I want to make a speaker box fitted in behind the seats or whatever. Yeah, there's still loads of bits to do in here. You can see the screws or whatever else. But this is specifically for the diesel heater. And I use this £1.75 Temu siphon. Temu siphon. Right, and that's in. Double check that's in up there. There you go. Fill to the brim. Let's get it on and warm it up in it because it's currently -2. It's freezing. But there you go. When I put the bulkhead in properly, I'll run it through and show you again how I do it properly.